Welcome back. In this video, we will learn 50 everyday Spanish sentences, covering numbers 91 to 140 in our 500 sentence series. These phrases focus on shopping, discussing the weather, expressing feelings, and handling everyday activities. Listen carefully, repeat out loud during the pause, and let's jump right into sentences 91 to 140. I am looking for a clothing store. In Spanish we say, estoy buscando una tienda de ropa. I am looking for a clothing store. Estoy buscando una tienda de ropa. How much is this shirt? In Spanish we say, ¿Cuánto cuesta esta camisa? How much is this shirt? ¿Cuánto cuesta esta camisa? Can I try this on? In Spanish we say, ¿Puedo probarme esto? Can I try this on? ¿Puedo probarme esto? Where is the fitting room? In Spanish we say, ¿Dónde está el probador? Where is the fitting room? ¿Dónde está el probador? Do you have a smaller size? In Spanish we say, ¿Tiene una talla más pequeña? Do you have a larger size? In Spanish we say, ¿Tiene una talla más grande? Do you have a larger size? In Spanish we say, ¿Tiene una talla más grande? It is too expensive. In Spanish we say, es demasiado caro. It is too expensive. Es demasiado caro. Is there a discount? In Spanish we say, ¿Hay algún descuento? Is there a discount? ¿Hay algún descuento? I will buy it. In Spanish we say, lo compraré. I will buy it. In Spanish we say, lo compraré. Can I get a receipt? In Spanish we say, ¿Me da un recibo, por favor? Can I get a receipt? In Spanish we say, ¿Me da un recibo, por favor? How is the weather today? In Spanish we say, ¿Cómo está el clima hoy? How is the weather today? In Spanish we say, ¿Cómo está el clima hoy? It is sunny. In Spanish we say, hace sol. It is sunny. In Spanish we say, hace sol. It is hot today. In Spanish we say, hace calor hoy. It is hot today. In Spanish we say, hace calor hoy. It is cold outside. In Spanish we say, hace frío afuera. It is cold outside. In Spanish we say, hace frío afuera. It is raining. In Spanish we say, está lloviendo. It is raining. In Spanish we say, está lloviendo. I need an umbrella. In Spanish we say, necesito un paraguas. I need an umbrella. Necesito un paraguas. It is very windy. In Spanish, we say, hace mucho viento. It is very windy. Hace mucho viento. How are you feeling? In Spanish, we say, ¿Cómo te sientes? How are you feeling? ¿Cómo te sientes? I am happy. In Spanish, we say, estoy feliz. I am happy. Estoy feliz. I am sad. In Spanish, we say, estoy triste. I am sad. Estoy triste. I am excited. In Spanish, we say, estoy emocionado. I am excited. Estoy emocionado. I am bored. In Spanish, we say, estoy aburrido. I am bored. Estoy aburrido. I don't feel well. In Spanish, we say, no me siento bien. I don't feel well. No me siento bien. I have a headache. In Spanish, we say, tengo dolor de cabeza. I have a headache. Tengo dolor de cabeza. I need a doctor. In Spanish, we say, necesito un médico. I need a doctor. Necesito un médico. Where is the nearest pharmacy? In Spanish, we say, ¿Dónde está la farmacia más cercana? Where is the nearest pharmacy? ¿Dónde está la farmacia más cercana? I need medicine. In Spanish, we say, necesito medicina. I need medicine. Necesito medicina. What do you like to do? In Spanish, we say, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? I like to read books. In Spanish, we say, me gusta leer libros. I like to read books. Me gusta leer libros. I love listening to music. In Spanish, we say, me encanta escuchar música. I love listening to music. In Spanish, we say, me encanta escuchar música. Do you play sports? In Spanish, we say, ¿practicas deportes? Do you play sports? ¿Practicas deportes? I play soccer. In Spanish, we say, juego al fútbol. I play soccer. juego al fútbol. I like traveling. In Spanish, we say, me gusta viajar. I like traveling. Me gusta viajar. What is your favorite food? In Spanish, we say, ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? I love Mexican food. In Spanish, we say, Me encanta la comida mexicana. Can you repeat that, please? In Spanish, we say, ¿Puedes repetir eso, por favor? I understand now. In Spanish, we say, Ya entiendo. It was nice talking to you. In Spanish, we say, Fue un gusto hablar contigo. See you soon. In Spanish, we say, Hasta pronto. Have a good weekend. In Spanish, we say, Buen fin de semana. Fantastic job! You have now completed sentences 91 through 140 of our 500 Spanish Sentences series. Keep practicing these phrases out loud to improve your conversational confidence. Whenever you are ready for the next set, just drop a comment with how many sentences you want next.